and welcome to Defy Robotics. Here is my project, Moisture Sensing Groot. So for the last 5 years, I've been volunteering at one organic farm called Gaining Ground. There, I've learned a lot about organic farming. It's really inspired me to combine my passion with technology and farming to create something amazing. With this project, I wanted to create a system that would allow anyone to grow their own plants regardless of their experience. I also wanted to create a system that would allow for much more interesting and developed farming techniques that could be automated and further research how different plants can be grown more effectively. For this project, I had a number of different design goals. The first was that the planter should be the right size for a household plant. Second, that I use a moisture sensor to measure the moisture in the soil. Third, there is some sort of notification that the plant must be watered. Fourth, there must be a way of recovering the data afterwards. Fifth, the planter must be effective for growing plants. And finally, the planter must look like Groot from Guardians of the Galaxy. So, for this project, I created an experiment to test how effectively my planter actually worked. I had 4 different pairs of setups. The first was my test case, where I only watered when the light indicated it through this red glowing. I had the regular control case, where I watered 2 ounces in the morning. I had the overwatering case, where I watered 4 ounces in the morning, and the underwatering case, where I watered half an ounce in the morning. Through this, I then recorded all of the moisture values. I recorded values once every 30 minutes, and if you can see, these different lines represent the start of the day, and then these droplets are when I watered for the LED setups. Then for my conclusions, I found that the number of sprouts and the median plant height of the test case as well as the regular control were quite similar. For these two, I found that the test case was slightly better in the number of sprouts, and the median plant height, it was slightly worse. So, in conclusion, my system works. Indeed, the plants do effectively grow in my setup, and this setup would allow anyone to grow their own plants. Unfortunately, I did not have enough time to create an automated water system as I had wanted. However, this system does give a very good view of what automated farming could be like. Through this system and developments with this, we can create more efficient and more effective farming, as well as home gardens for anyone to use. Thank you, and see you next time on Defy Robotics!